Happy Scrubmas Day 13, guys. Sorry you don't get to see my beautiful face today. I don't feel like being on camera, but today I'm going to share with you guys these foaming exfoliating cleansing grains. So this is a powder that you mix in with water and then you massage in your face and it washes and exfoliates your face. So it's super cool. First, I'm going to start out with colloidal oatmeal, and then I'm going to add in some corn starch. So this is essentially the base of the product. There's so many different types of ingredients you could use as the base. I'll list some down in the description box, like some other ingredients you can add into this, but anything that's like a powder and skin safe essentially could go into this. The next thing I added in is sodium cocoyl isethionate, which when you're working with sodium cocoyl isethionate, make sure you have on a respirator. So I still currently have a respirator on at this moment, but you just want to mix together the colloidal oatmeal, the cornstarch, and the SCI until it's well combined, and then add in jojoba oil or any other kind of oil of your choice, almond oil, olive oil, anything really would work. We just want to mix this oil in with these powders to kind of weigh down the SCI, because it is a powder and you don't want to breathe it in. So we want to kind of weight down this powder a little bit so it doesn't go airborne as we're actually using the product on our face. Now, once that's all combined, I added in some DL Panthenol, followed by chamomile powder, then some rosehip powder, aloe vera powder, and this is different than the aloe vera 100 times powder or 200 times powder. I just bought this off Amazon. I'll have it linked down below. And then I added in some purple clay, which don't skip out on the clay. I definitely recommend adding in some kind of clay into this product. And then lastly, I added in white jojoba pearls to act as the exfoliant. But the reason you want to make sure you add in a clay is so it adds some kind of structure to this product. So when you do add water into the powder, you can kind of massage it into your hand easier and work it into your face easier. So kaolin clay would work, or if you have oily skin, you can use some bentonite clay, or rose clay would work as well. You can get creative with the powders you use in this. You can use like goat's milk powder, coconut milk powder. Milk powders work great as a base, and that's typically what I would use, but I didn't have any, so that's why I decided to do colloidal oatmeal and cornstarch. And yeah, you can just get creative with this. Use whatever powders you want. If you don't have the exact powders I have, then that's totally fine. You can honestly just make it colloidal oatmeal and cornstarch and SCI powder, and that would work too. Well, and make sure you don't forget the oil. And I wasn't really sure what packaging would work best for this, so I just used the funnel and poured the powder into this bottle with a flip cap. But unfortunately, I think the powder was too chunky or something. I don't know. I couldn't get the powder to go through the flip cap, which is good to know because that means the oil is doing its job, because I want the oil to kind of keep this all packed together so the powder doesn't go airborne and stuff. But yeah, I couldn't get it out of the flip cap, so I just had to unscrew the cap and pour it in my hand, which honestly isn't a big deal to me. But let me know if you have any other packaging ideas. Comment them down below. But just add some water into this, massage it into your hand. You'll see it work into a paste, and then you just want to massage it into wet skin and it will lather, and you will get some exfoliatingness from the jojoba pearls, and also the powders like the aloe vera powder and stuff kind of like gently exfoliates the skin as well. But yeah, I think this is a really cool, unique product. I think it's great for anybody who's looking for like water-free formulating or preservative-free formulating. So yeah, let me know what you think down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Also, don't forget to go over and check out my Patreon, where I post 2 exclusive videos every single month. So there is a ton of videos you can go over there and binge watch. For only $5 a month, you get access to the entire backlog. And for $10 a month, you can get a shout out for your small business. So let's shout everybody out. Nature's Farm Girl, Let's Blend LLC.com, Stardust Bath and Body over on Instagram, hempygirl.com, shoplevis.com, Owl and Lily over on Etsy, embracebeautyessentials.com, Legendary Bath and Body, Astari Apothecary, Revega Cosmetics here on YouTube, exorebb.com, Pardo Naturals, Natural State Skin, thenatureindus.ca, nearcatelier.com. You can use the code on the screen for 20% off. earthandambernaturals.com, Shark City Naturals, and the rest of these companies are launching soon. skinbydevu.com, 7th House and Oak over on Etsy, at Black Petal Beauty on Instagram, mycrownandglowery.com, and daytorelaxproducts.com. Thank you guys so much for your support. Literally, without you guys on the Patreon, I wouldn't be able to continue doing what I do. So thank you so much.